Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome. Today we're going to have a walk around and a drive of this 2006 on a 56 plate Land Rover Defender 90 TD5 County hardtop that I think has only had one owner from new, one private owner. Hope you like it. If you do, you can find us on www.moto-drome.com. Okay, let's take this 2006 on a 56 plate Land Rover Defender 90 TD5 County hardtop for a spin. I've just done a few miles in it. It drives absolutely perfectly, exactly as it should. And it is, I need to look at the history, but I think it's a one private owner from new vehicle. So, all lights, ignition light come up the way they should. Turn the stereo down. Oh, car reversing in front of us. And I'll put this window up. Electric windows, as you can see. And brake off. Showing, we'll say it's done just under 120,000 miles. The speedo is showing just turned over the 119,000 mile mark, about 119,300. So, as I say, one owner vehicle from you, one private owner as well, I think. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. The engine feels very willing and there's not lots of nasty smoke coming out the back of it. Not been modified at all, this one, with the exception of a Mantic spare wheel carrier. Still its proper BFG tyres and everything. Just a nice unmolested example. Drives like it's been really properly maintained. I do need to look at the service history, but all the details will be on our website. Letting my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash or anything through the transmission. Clutch and gearbox both feel nice, there's no synchronous launching whether you're going up or down the gearbox. Well. And unusually for a Defender of this age, it's very, very rattle-free. Helps that it's got the spare wheel carrier, which takes the weight off the rear door, which most of the rattling comes from. But yeah, it's pretty good. No sinister suspension noises or anything. Just gets on with the job. The vent flaps open, it's surprisingly quiet as well. It does just seem to be a rather nice, well cared for Defender. Sprightly. Don't think it's been chipped though. Just trundles along quite happily. Nicely, the steering wheel is straight as well. Not having to fight it down the road. Comes the rain. Slightly annoying. morning as I've just had it all cleaned. Brakes nicely as well, no funny noises under braking. So I think there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more info. So engine running while hot on the 0656 plate Defender 90 TD5 County hardtop. One owner from new.